Today, we're talking about the Samsung Galaxy S27, Samsung's latest compact flagship that proves once again that small phones are not dead. In fact, they might be getting better than ever. In a world where most smartphones keep getting bigger and heavier, the Galaxy S27 sticks to a clean and comfortable 6.3-inch form factor, making it one of the most practical premium phones for everyday use. It feels light in the hand, easy to control with one hand, and still delivers full flagship power without compromise. Under the hood, the S27 is powered by Samsung's new 2nm next-generation chipset, giving it a serious boost in speed and efficiency. Apps open instantly, multitasking feels smooth, and even heavy usage like gaming or editing runs without lag. Combined with One UI 9, the experience feels more refined, more intelligent, and more responsive than ever before. Battery life is another strong point. Thanks to deep system optimization and the efficiency of the new chip, the S27 easily lasts a full day of heavy use. Whether you're streaming, scrolling social media, or shooting photos all day, you don't have to worry about constantly reaching for the charger. Speaking of cameras, Samsung continues to focus on smart imaging. The Galaxy S27 delivers sharp, detailed photos in all lighting conditions. Daylight shots are crisp and natural, while low-light photography is handled with improved processing that keeps images bright without overdoing noise reduction. Video recording is smooth, stable, and perfect for content creators. On the software side, Samsung continues its strength with Galaxy AI features, DeX mode, good lock customization, and long-term software support, making the S27 not just powerful today, but reliable for years to come. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S27 is shaping up to be a complete compact flagship. Powerful performance, strong battery life, improved cameras, and a design that just feels right in the hand. If you prefer a phone that's fast, practical, and premium without going oversized, the Galaxy S27 is exactly that balance Samsung has perfected. This is Wajid Tech Talk, bringing you the latest in tech, simply and honestly.